Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we focus on fun and educational activities for kids. Today, we're talking about math and how to make it an enjoyable experience for your early learners. Let's get started.
Counting with objects. This is a great activity for young children who are just starting to learn numbers. Get a bunch of objects, such as toy cars, blocks, or fruits and vegetables, and ask your child to count them. Start with small numbers and gradually increase the difficulty as your child gets better. Shapes are a fundamental part of early mathematics, and this activity will help your child identify different shapes. Cut out different shapes from colored paper and ask your child to sort them into piles based on their shapes. You can also use household objects, such as keys, coins, or cookie cutters, to teach your child about shapes.
Measurement is an important concept in mathematics, and this activity will help your child understand the concept of length, width, and height. Using household items, such as rulers, tapes, or even spaghetti, ask your child to measure the length, width, and height of different objects.
Patterns are a great way to introduce your child to the world of mathematics. Use different colored objects, such as blocks, buttons, or beans, to create simple patterns and ask your child to continue the pattern. You can also use everyday objects, such as fruit, to create patterns.
This activity will help your child understand numbers and their relationships. Get a set of number cards, either printed or handwritten, and place them face down. Ask your child to match the number cards to the corresponding number of objects, such as toy cars or blocks. These are just a few of the fun and educational math activities you can do with your early learners at home. Remember, the key is to make math enjoyable and to let your child explore and discover the world of numbers on their own terms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational activities.